guys, welcome back to Zig, the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode on your Chrome browser. So first thing you have to do is go straight to your search bar and search for Chrome Web Store. So once you search for Chrome Web Store like this, you click on the website. So once you click on the website, you're going to search for dark mode, and you click on enter. So click on the first one right here, click on that, and you're going to see add to Chrome. So it's actually an extension, so you're going to click on add extension right there, and it's going to actually load up and get downloaded. So once it's done, you're going to go straight to your extensions right above, and you're going to click on pin right there. So once you click on that, you'll be able to turn this on dark mode and off whenever you want. Yes, very easy and simple. You can see this the dark mode, and I love it. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.